Hey guys, welcome everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make your first $300 as fast as possible. There is no intro or extra. I went through this technique out of many techniques that were there at one place, but we'll go into that later. But first of all, uh, take your notes and write down the steps. I also wrote the steps and somehow make money without investing even $1. you know you can get up to 150 to $400. There is huge gap, but for sure you would see results in 2 weeks. And after that, if you want to invest in the courses like 200 that are costly, then you can really invest. But first of all, when you want to make money from zero, you should not invest anything. The only requirements you need for this technique are: first of all, you need a PayPal account. If you don't have a PayPal account, use your father's or mother's, or create a PayPal account. For that, you should have some tax return proof. Somehow make a PayPal account, and if you do not have a PayPal account, you can't do anything. Especially like in this affiliate marketing, definitely you need a PayPal account. Second criteria is you need free time of 2 hours. If you don't have 2 hours of free time, please skip this video. This is not for you. And the third requirement is mobile or laptop. If you don't have mobile or laptop, you probably cannot see this video, so you probably have mobile or laptop. And the fourth criteria is internet. Without internet, nothing is impossible. People always say that food, water, shelter is very important, and they are the essential things. But according to me, internet is also essential thing. Without it, you're not even a human. So if you have these four, let's get into the real deal. Step one is you should go to Munch Eye and select the trending product. We already opened Munch Eye here. Uh, Basically, Munch Eye is a website where there are many products launched each and every week, but beforehand they are shown here. Even before they are in the market, we are shown the product, because before the products are launched, the owners actually want people working for them so that they can promote it as soon as they release it into the market, right? That's why muncheye.com is used. And many products on the left side, you can see products that are very far from this time releasing. And the right side, you can see that are latest, like tomorrow or day after tomorrow they are going to release. And on the left side, big launches, and somewhat very far from today. So go to the right side, because we want to make as fast as fast money, right? It is possible. It is really possible. If we do all the steps, it is really possible. This technique I just learned, and I wanted to share with people, because there are many people who can't really invest money, but initially when they do the work and get the money, they can invest in somewhere. So according to me, if you have $0, right? You have $0 and you are listening to this. Okay, let's go to any trending topic. Okay, trending product, because when it has the hype, it will have the sales, and that's what make the money. Islam creator, they're all about making money, manifestation. Yeah, crypto. I would take crypto, because crypto has really hype, and the cost is also $17. See, as less the cost is, uh, you know, the more sales we have. It's not about how much more we make. If we are able to make sales, we can use the same technique again and again to get the money, right? If we catch one strategy that is working for us, we'll use it again and again. And for each one you refer, you actually get $71. I'll tell you how it is possible. There is something called upsell. Initially, the customer will buy $70, and in coming days he'll buy. So this is we selected the trending product, and the next step is go to affiliate support page. Okay okay affiliate support page is nothing but the JV page itself. Affiliate support is because this supports the affiliates which promote it. So this is the affiliate support page of the product we selected. And these are all the promoting content. This video you can download. This is a Vimeo video, right? It's not YouTube, it's a Vimeo video. You can download Vimeo video in a Vimeo downloader. I'll show you. You can just go to the internet and you can have you'll have many. I used also one. I did this technique. I earn money. That's why I'm saying it to you as fast as possible, right? This is Vimeo video downloader, right? And you just have to share and copy the link here and paste it in some of the browser. If anyone knows how to download YouTube videos from net, you'll know how to download from the Vimeo also, like the same technique. And as it is written, as it is written in the second, you should download the promoting content. The promoting content is there on the affiliate support page. These are the two videos. First of all, download them on your device. There is some more promoting content, and this is the chart where the client or the customer which buys $17 at the first eventually will buy $27, $67 or something that is $37, 47, 37 to 97 to the last. And I think this is very possible because if you are someone who is really interested in investing in crypto and you're spending money to learn about it, I think you really have a good amount of money. So it's really possible. If I get you one sale, eventually you will become my customer and I would get recurring commission. And there are also contests if I make, and these are the promo tools. The above videos are also usable and also the promo tools. And in the JV doc, many times these people give us techniques how to promote it step by step. Okay, these people did not give, but you can download this photo. You actually should download this photo. But the main thing, this is the swipes are nothing but email swipes that we should send to the traffic that comes to some websites or some forms. And these bonuses. When we click on bonuses, the main part comes here where there are many books that are paid. Suppose we look at Keyword Research Ninja. Keyword Research Ninja is a website, and to learn it, there is actually a book here, and it's not free. It is a paid book, but they are giving it for free because, and these are not available all the time. These free books are not available all the time. After the product is launched into the market, and you lose contact with the bonuses and those all. They are actually giving them because you would give them to the potential customers of the product and somehow bring the sales. Now, what we would do is we would download some product, some bonus level, at least web development secrets. These are all paid products. Do not take them lightly. These are not found on the PLR free products site. These are all handpicked and something you should pay for, but you're getting it for free. Go here and click on the link. Not click on the link here. Click on the link here, and you get the product. I would say something that has the hype. Automatic cash rockets. These are all like scammy things. Yeah, the traffic handbook. This looks somewhat usable and readable for knowledge. You should download this book, right? For creating content. The next step is there are two things you should do. You first downloaded this video and the first video, right? Now go to another YouTube channel you have. If you don't know, you can create multiple YouTube channels on the same Gmail account. So create a YouTube channel. Create a new YouTube channel. You need not have a very good thumbnail or nothing. Create a new YouTube channel, and then you should add a video, this video that you downloaded. There are no copyrights because it is a promoting content, so they will not have any copyright issues. And you should have the title as product title plus review, right? And that should be the title. with some keywords related to the product. Suppose it is product we are promoting is crypto, right? So you should have earn crypto every day, those keywords, and with the product title, the title of the video should be product title plus review, and in the description, right, you should give some information about the product and with some affiliate links. That's all. You should just leave it, and after the product comes into the market, there is so much traffic that will search about the released product in the YouTube, and when they search for it, eventually your YouTube video will have views, and they will buy it from the near available links, that is your link, and eventually you'll get commission for that. This is the first part of the technique, right? This is actually called launch jacking technique, and the second part of the technique is, this is very interesting part, and it actually took so much time for someone to make this. The second part is, uh, you have many emails, right? Here you have many emails, and you have many bonuses where you can you have many bonuses where you can use it to create content on Instagram, on or medium.com. You can actually write what is there in the bonuses, the books that I showed you just now. I'm very sorry for that noise. And uh, and somehow drive traffic. Medium.com is a website where you can have medium.com. Medium.com is a free website for writers and not for the viewers. You can't read whatever you want for unlimited time, but you can write unlimited content, and literally for free, including your affiliate links. And there is no check for it. Unlike Quora, which bans you if you publish any affiliate link, but Medium does nothing. You can also link your pictures that you published in the medium.com to your affiliate links, right? Using that content, using the content in the bonuses, you can directly post content on medium.com. You just have to post like a 5 articles which are less than 200 words, and the medium.com will give you traffic as fast as possible, right? And the second technique is the main thing, where there are emails. Okay, these people still did not develop their emails. As I said, these products are not still in the market. Not only crypto, not only this single product, any product will go to some Mansfield, and they will give you, every affiliate product will definitely have emails. It may not have the videos that I showed you just now or the bonuses, but emails are a must. If emails are not there, I'm saying you, it's like impossible for an affiliate product. Why? Because people think that email is not a really good source of attracting traffic, but in reality, most of the people uh, use this 5 time like 5 scheme technique. See, this guy also has email files. Everyone will have email files. Okay, you can literally see he gave it in the HTML format, and you can literally copy and send it to your clients. And I'm going to show you how you can do this multiple times to 24,000 people. How? First, you should go to 10minuteemail.net to create a fake email, right? 10minutemail.net. I did all this. And here you would get an email that is only 10 minutes long. But for signing, and then you should sign up to this solo ad websites. Solo ad websites are nothing but they are actually massive lists of emails which people have gathered using different sources. If I have a YouTube channel and I have a newsletter, I would have a email list of nearly 10,000 or 20,000 depending upon the number of subscribers I have. And I can have a solo ad website where my subscribers will get emails using this. The For example, we can see Herculist, A Emailer, State of Art Mailer. These are all the websites which got the email list, and you may think, okay, it may be scammy. No, actually, your these websites actually are asking you to send emails like that. For example, we'll go to protrafficsite.com, right? You create an email that is 10 minutes long, because the problem is when you sign up on this pro traffic site or adexchangeclub.com, and these websites are these 24 websites are some websites which give free trial up to $5 and $10, and $10 credit is so much, right? You have 24 of them here, no problem. I shared all this at one place in discussion tab of my channel, because the description wouldn't actually allow me to do that thing. So I uh, pasted all these websites, and I wrote good steps in the description. You can check them below, right? You should go to, as I was talking about the technique, you should take the email here, sign up in one of the website, and use the free trial to send the emails that they gave you in this, like he gave. And you can have infinite credits for sending emails, because as long as you have a new email address per day, you can use 24 sources for using free trials. And in next 14 days they would actually work. And I'm saying you, this may be very long process, but if you really want to make money from zero and within 2 weeks, this is the only technique. This made me money. This will make money every time, like every month. And this is the first technique I saw from a product I actually invested in. If you yeah, first of all, I should name the techniques that I said you just now. They are actually called launch jacking, because you're doing it before the launch, and I don't know why they kept jacking, but this is called launch jacking method. There is a course called Ministry of Freedom, that is a very big famous course, which charges you $1,500, and after that it charges $897. But $1,500, for that you get 673 commission. But now we are seeing the price is 1,500. This course actually tells you the same technique I said, and they are not saying more detail. He just sells like 1,500, and you know how many people paid for that 1,500? We'll see. This is Ministry of Freedom. Many might have listened about. There are 250 people who actually bought the course for 1,500 that I just said you for free on this video. And this is one technique that I found at from collection of many big techniques and big techniques. So this is the first one, and I thought this would really work, and I used it, and it gave me results, and I wanted to say this on the video, because there are many people just like me who don't really want to invest their parents' money into the affiliate marketing and make money. We actually want to start from the scratch, and people who are like me go to this technique and use it. But if you are really interested in knowing all the techniques, like there are like many of them, this is just first. You are not going to be charged 1,500 or 800. If there is a product called affiliate marketing, I wouldn't say it as a product. This is a collection of works. I mean, like I can show you. I'm showing you 24 websites, and who would have that much time to keep all of them in one place and give you the steps to make, like even the literal steps to make this, and explain them to you. So I think that is really something you can invest in. And before you look at the price of the product, let me describe it how it is. Basically it starts from the scratch, and the main objective of this course is you should not invest even $1 into affiliate marketing, at least $1. and somehow make your first money. Many people will show you results of getting $100,000. Yes, it is possible to make thousands and thousands of dollars per month from affiliate marketing, but no one will show you how to make that first, that first 100, that first $50, that first $10. They will not show you. And this product right here actually shows you. He is the instructor. He's a very friendly guy. I got the review access of this product, and yeah, I saw this product and I'm using the techniques. I'm using the techniques. This the technique I said you was very useful because it has so many resources. These are all the websites at one place, and step by step. I didn't never know that there existed a 10-minute mail where you can get a fake email. I never knew that. I never knew that. And yeah, you know YouTubing and no hard work, but okay. And this product also comes with many bonuses. Okay, there there should be four bonuses, but now there are only three. The fourth bonus was the technique I showed you. Actually, the fourth bonus was used to be the technique, and yeah, they are slowly taking off all the bonuses because after the first 100 or 250 people get the results and enough to make testimonials, they would take off these bonuses and only show the product because they want their first 100 people. I think these all bonuses will also be taken, especially this messenger bot. It wouldn't cost you 127, it would cost you $30 to $40. But why would they give it to you for just $12.75? Because it's only 12.75, not more than that, and it's actually $7. The $5 will be added, something like that, right? And for that, why he giving you something that is $40 of worth? Because initially that first 100 people will get results like the best results ever, and using those testimonials and the reviews, the product would actually get traffic, and the next 200 or 300 people who would actually buy this product would think that okay, this is possible and I can do this with this method. But these are all bonuses that would go away, and they would never come. And you have no problem, the bonus 4 is gone, but I showed you the bonus 4 in this video. There used to be another bonus, they actually took it off. They are going to definitely take off this messenger bot. This cost like $40-50. They are showing 127. But okay, it's just selling, but some genuinity is there, really genuinity is there. And this cash secret, it may cost some $50. And step by step guide, this will cost, yeah, this will cost some $100. And yeah, these are all the bonuses that you get for free, only one time, and there is nothing like upsell or downsell. There is nothing. And once you invest in this, there are like some many techniques that start from scratch and make your first. You can just see the title, make your first $300. And this is the course that if you really invest, if you're really interested. And I'm again saying it, there is no easy method to make money, and if you're not even able to invest $15 into something to make money, believe me, you can't make any money. You can't make any money, like a single dollar on internet. Nothing comes for free, okay? Nothing comes for free. The world is a bad place, everyone knows it. You should make your unfair advantage yourself. That's what I believe in. And you can actually get return. I mean, within 30 days, like you use all the techniques. There are actually many techniques that will work within 1 week, and you can test them all in the 30 days, and if they never work, you can actually get the money for free without any questions. You will not be asked any question. There is no one who is going to question you for not buying and returning this product, because this is not a physical product. So definitely you would get the return. So you're actually investing nothing. You are actually investing $0 into something and benefiting from it. There are no Google ads, solo ads, blogging, YouTubing. There are no hassles. Yeah, that's definitely true. The bonus 4 is something which shows you this technique to get the fast amount, like 300 as possible, using which you can make more money. You know, uh, it's always like this. The rich people become more richer each and every day because they have some money to invest already. You should start from somewhere, and that's what I want to say. I really wanted to help people who want to make money from zero. That's why I gave you the fourth bonus, which they just took it down. They'll take down, yeah, they'll take down all the three bonuses eventually. And if you're seeing this video after August or September, I would say the website would have taken down all the bonuses. But if you're seeing this in July, then yeah, the website is working and you can have all the three bonuses. The fourth bonus is something I showed you in this video, so no problem. There is no bonus before that was taken down, and the cost of the course is less than $15. So if you are someone from a developed country, then this is not even some money you care about. The link is in the description, and I also gave you and if you're not someone who is not able to afford for this course, I mean, this helped me and this will help you also. Use the technique that I said you in this video and get the money, get 15. The technique I showed you will give you like 100 to $120 in the next 2 weeks, right? And using them, you buy this course and get all the techniques at one place, because methods are already available on YouTube, but who would have the time to, make a list of them and keep it all at one place and give it to you for some money that he did, for some work that he did? He's costing just because he did the work, and that's okay to give, because time is also money and you really need not waste the money. So that's all I want to say. And use the method I said you, earn the money and invest in the courses you want. Invest in this course if you want all the techniques at one place. And thank you so much. Thank you so much. May you be rich. That's all. You know, before you become rich, you can become happy. Like, may you be happy. Actually, money doesn't always just give you all the things. Thank you so much, guys.